From the air we breathe to the food we consume, our world is more toxic than ever before, contributing to an increase in cancer diagnosis year after year. But what about treatment? Is any progress being made in our approach to healing this disease? Are we even looking at what's causing the rise of cancer in our time? According to the National Cancer Institute, less than 10% of all cancers can be linked to inherited genetics, meaning most are developed from environmental causes. Some experts feel seeing the bigger picture and utilizing integrative and complementary cancer treatment can lead to better patient outcomes.
Unless you work at the foundational reasons for why the person developed cancer, it's quite challenging. We know from science and publication that there are 10 biological hallmarks of cancer. These are characteristics that are inherent to all cancer cells. It's primarily important to treat the terrain. The terrain is the milieu, the space in between the cells. How are they oxygenated? Are they toxic? Is the immune system depressed? So when treating the terrain, we're kind of cleaning the house, if you will, so that any other therapy can have much better effect.
What we do understand through decades of research is there are many characteristics that apply to all cancers. This information is helping integrative medical teams develop multifactorial approaches to treat the symptoms and the disease at the root cause.
We have to look at the entirety of the patient. We have to look at their labs. We have to look at their lifestyle. What was their nutrition like? What's the stress at home? Are they exposed to toxics? So we're looking at all these epigenetic factors that can set cancer on a process of progression and or development. Outside of the conventional therapies for cancer, there's a whole plethora of opportunities to help the patient heal from cancer. And that's when you get really at the root of cancer and why it developed.
Founded by Dr. Jimenez in 2000, Hope4Cancer Treatment Centers is a recognized world leader in holistic and integrative oncology, operating 2 world-class cancer centers on the Caribbean and Pacific coasts of Mexico. Hope4Cancer's comprehensive approach helps the body restore its natural ability to heal.
The treatment philosophy of Hope4Cancer is really based on 4 principles: love, faith, hope, and generosity. Because once you touch that emotional and that spiritual component of an individual, the body, the physical body reacts so much better. And then the response to our therapies are significantly enhanced. We don't just treat the disease, we treat the holism of the person, the body, the mind, and the spirit. So when we treat cancer in a holistic way, we could go to the root, to the foundation. The main unique treatment that we provide our cancer patients is based on energy medicine. We offer hyperbaric oxygen therapy. It's very important to increase oxygen stores at the deep cell level. So we're treating the oxygenation of the healthy cells. We're detoxing, we're building the immune system, and much more, and at the same time improving the quality of life. We do a lot of energy medicine using lasers, using sound, and we call this sonophotodynamic therapy, which is a unique therapy at Hope4Cancer, and we are the worldwide pioneers in sonophotodynamic therapy, which we have been doing now for over 20 years.
As a leading voice in integrative treatment, every Hope4Cancer patient receives a personalized program. This immersive approach focuses on education throughout the treatment experience and includes a supportive home program, giving patients the resources to maintain a healthy lifestyle.
In 2014, I was diagnosed with ovarian cancer. It was stage 3, and I had full hysterectomy and chemotherapy. I was achy and a lot of pain, sick, lost all my hair. And at the end, chemotherapy wasn't working. I found out about Hope4Cancer. They explain everything to you so that you understand fully. And with the holistic treatments, no sickness, no vomiting. Before I came here, I was like, well, God, I need somebody to teach me better eating habits and a better process. And they done just that. If I hadn't came, I wouldn't be here today. I feel good. I'm still here, able to raise my son, able to have a second chance at life.
Original diagnosis was testicular cancer back in 2016. There was a reoccurrence in 2018 along with a secondary cancer of follicular non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. My body did not respond well to conventional treatments at all. Post-chemotherapy, within a couple of months, the cancer had metastasized to my lungs, a lot of the lymph nodes in my chest. For 2 non-aggressive cancers that were slow-growing, chemotherapy had really made it fast-growing and aggressive. My wife originally discovered Hope4Cancer when I started doing conventional treatments, and when I came, a lot of the therapies that I was doing really helped and took those pains away within probably about a week and a half. I was doing hyperbaric oxygen chamber, high-dose vitamin C, sonophotodynamic therapy, the LED pads, ozone, and the combination just really not only boosted my immune system, but also gave me a lot of energy and allowed me to sleep at night, which I wasn't doing prior to coming. The level of care that I received here is indescribable. It's uncomparable. The way they take an interest in you and your family and genuinely care about you, it's like nothing I'd ever experienced in the past. Hope4Cancer has given me my life and the ability to watch my children grow up and be a father and a husband.
One of the missions at Hope4Cancer is to educate you, to bring you options that conventional medicine doesn't offer that are science-based and they're effective. The future of medicine entails using more technology that is, in a way, non-toxic to normal cells and giving patients a much better quality of life as they heal from cancer. Cancer is not a death word. Why? Because I've seen that if the patient is truly invested in their healing and they're truly optimistic about the results and have faith in what the body can do to heal, great things happen. An integrative, holistic approach treating the spirit, the mind, and the body is, in many years of experience, the best option for you.
For more information or to request a free consultation, go to hope4cancer.com or call 888-544-5993.